Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Excel channel. In this video, we will learn how to create a Pareto chart in Excel in simple and easy way. I hope by end of this video, you will going to learn how you can create this kind of Pareto as shown in this file. So let's start the video. Firstly, I will delete all the data which I have entered here and I will show you a step-by-step procedure to make a Pareto chart. First we have serial number 1 to 10 and part name are will take A, B, F, G, H, I and J. They are our part name. Quantity rejected for part name A is assume 12 and keep on adding or keep on taking some more quantity for different part names. This is for just example. After adding here, then what you have to do is you have to take this quantity from higher side to lower side. Here I have added a filter sort largest to smallest. Like this you have to make, like from higher to lower. Then come to the bottom cell, add all those quantity by using some formula. Then enter. There are 490 quantity are rejected. Okay. To calculate individual percentage, we need to have the defect quantity for part name divided by total quantity. Then we will get individual percentage. For the same, press equal to, select the cell and divide by total quantity, multiply by 100, which you get in percentage. And now here you have to just log the denominator. It should not change. Okay. Then just select copy that cell and paste to the bottom cell. Directly you will get all the formula copy. Now we have to calculate a cumulative percentage for each defect. Like each defect calculating how much percentage of rejections. Okay. So then say equal to, select the first cell, press enter. Then again say equal to, select the second cell plus top cell. Then again say equal to, select the third cell plus and top cell. Like this you have to keep on adding the cells. To get it shortcut, press Ctrl D, you will get all the details. Okay, your Excel, the table is prepared. Now go for Pareto chart. To get a Pareto chart in easy way, first you have to select the cells which you want to need to cover to the graph. Then selected, I want this column and this column to get in a chart. Then go to insert, select the chart, select this one. The chart will appear like this. Okay. Then I will modify this chart. Then after appearing this chart like this, go to add chart element. Axes are already added. Axis title I will add primary horizontal axis, primary vertical axis, and now data labels I will add it outside and the quantity percentage also we can add. And then grid lines I will remove. Okay. Maximum our chart is prepared now. The chart title will be Pareto analysis. Primary axis title is effective quantity. Okay, or percentage also you can see. Then go for horizontal title is part name. Okay, just delete this one because it is already appeared here. And now select this cell, the second cumulative. Then go for change chart type, and here the cumulative percentage, the orange color, just add it to secondary axis, and then clustered column is there na chart type, set it for line, say OK. Now your Pareto chart will be appear like this. There is some messy data here. I will just remove the data labels. Like this you will get clear picture. Just, and I will add only data label for the line. Just select the line, go for data label, select away. Then you can have a clear picture on which you have to take action or you have to act on it. Finally, your Pareto chart is done. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my channel 5 Minutes Excel. Thank you.